You don't need thousands of followers to make money online. That's a lie that keeps most people stuck. And here's the truth. You can start from zero and build real income through content. Not by chasing views, not by going viral, but by using content leverage to build trust with the right people. This is not about becoming an influencer. It's about a system that works without fame, without expensive gear, and without waiting years to see results. If you are tired of the cloud chasing game, this video is for you. This is for anyone that is starting with 0 followers, 0 subscribers, and 0 clarity. If you feel confused about where to begin, that's very normal. Most people are told they need to build a massive audience first and figure out monetization later. That approach is backward. You don't need to be an influencer. You do not need viral moment. You need a system that builds income through content leverage. This is about trust, not attention. The goal of this video is to show you how content can work for you, even if nobody knows your name yet. So stick around, because by the end of this series, you will have a roadmap from zero to income. No hype, just practical step you can start using today. Most people misunderstand what content actually does for business. The default mindset is cloud chasing. You start chasing views, followers, and vanity metrics. Most people think success means going viral or hitting some magic subscriber count. That approach fails for most people. Why? Because it focuses on attention, not outcome. Here's the shift. Content is not about getting famous. Content is a trust building tool. It's leverage. You need to understand small focused audiences convert better than large unfocused ones. Think about this. Would you rather have 10,000 of people scroll past your post, or 100 people who trust your advice enough to buy from you? Content attracts the right people. It helps people build trust over time. Deeper engagement follows, then income comes from the relationships. That's the difference between attention and trust. And that difference is very clear, and it's everything. Attention is cheap and it disappears fast. Trust is valuable and lasting. So when you optimize for trust, you stop worrying about followers count. You start asking one question. Does my content actually help someone solve a real problem? That's what opens the door to income, not views, not likes. Trust. Once you understand that, the myths fall apart. Myth number 1, you need thousands of followers to make money. That's false. Engagement and trust matters more than followers count. A creator with 500 engaged followers can earn more than someone with 50,000 who no one listens to. Niche audience pay better. Why? Because they have specific problem and they are actively looking for solution. Relevance beats scale every time. Let's talk about myth number 2. You need expensive gear. That's also false. What actually matters is clarity and consistency. Can people understand you? Do you show up regularly? That's it. AI tools have leveled the playing field. You can create professional looking content with a phone and free softwares. The barriers to entry has never been lower. Stop using gear as an excuse. Number 3, you need to go viral. No. Virality is unpredictable and unsustainable. You cannot build a business on luck. The creators who last aren't the ones with one viral hit. They are the ones who showed up week after week and delivered value. That's how real audience are built. Another myth is that it's too late, that the market is saturated. No. The truth is that AI makes this the best time to start. Tools that once requires entire team are now available for solo creators. You can produce, edit, and distribute content faster than ever. So the question now is, if you don't need followers, gear, or virality, what do you actually need? You need a clear niche, not a broad topic. A specific problem that keeps people up at night. You need a content system that builds trust and demonstrates expertise, not a random post. Consistency proves that you understand the problem and you have solutions to it. You need AI tools that let you create faster and scale without a team. These tools already exist. They remove the excuses around time and resources. And you need a monetization strategy that doesn't rely on ads or sponsorship. So here are 3 options for creators with no following. First, create content for brands as a service. You don't need your own audience. You help brand create content they need. Second, selling digital products or templates that solve specific problems. Build it once, sell it infinitely. And the third option is building a newsletter or a community. This lets you own the relationship and speak directly to people who trust you. AI accelerates every one of these parts. You can create faster, test ideas quickly, improve based on what works. Start small and stay focused. One niche, one monetization path, one content format. Master that before expanding. You don't need big following to make money with content. You need the right system. So now that you know that, what are you waiting for? Start building. And thanks for watching.